This is a quick video on the steps we can take to provide a professional carpet cleaning service in office buildings. And my name is Shane Dubell with Method Clean Solutions, and we service the Buffalo, New York metro market, including all of Erie County. And what I wanted to do today is just go over some of the steps that we take to provide a successful service experience for commercial carpet cleaning. And the main steps are going to be a consultation, inspection, fiber identification, choosing what equipment or method or process to use, the parking areas, where are we going to park our van and equipment, the moving of furniture, water sources and waste removal, safety, and the most important part is to follow up and customer survey. So the first part is the consultation. And this is where we go out to a building and speak with a manager or owner. And during this initial phase, we learn about, well, what are your business objectives for this service? And I know in the beginning you might think that, well, this is kind of weird. I want my carpet to be clean. But people buy for all kinds of different reasons. And sometimes they want long-term solutions. And other times they just want a quick cleaning for some reason. Let's say you had some construction done or remodeling done in your office recently, and you just have some fine dust you want to clean up a little bit, and the carpet's relatively new. Well, you wouldn't need a heavy-duty cleaning in that situation. You need more of a rinsing and extracting to remove all that fine dust. So that's what we mean when we say, people, what's your objective? Because there's all kinds of different reasons why people buy. Sometimes the carpet hasn't been cleaned for years and even a decade, and it really needs a heavy-duty, deep cleaning. And other times it doesn't. It just needs like a quick extraction because of dust. And that is why we want to find out, because that can completely impact the price. The second step is the inspection. This is where we physically inspect the carpeted areas, and it's important for us because that's when we decide what process to use, what equipment to recommend, and this is when we make our recommendations. The fiber identification is the big one. During this time, we want to find out if it's nylon, olefin, polyester. These are the main fibers in commercial carpeting, and they all have different characteristics, and we want to find out which one they are, because then that tells us what process to use, how quickly we can use, what kind of chemicals, all of those fun questions. This is first we need to find out, well, what is it made of? And then we can decide on some of the other things and provide a recommendation. What method or cleaning process. This is a lot of this is the equipment. With some styles of carpeting like olefin, encapsulation or low moisture can be a better solution because olefin doesn't absorb water, so we want to use as little water as possible. Where other carpeting like nylon, steam cleaning is really the best solution. But and it's the client wishes. Some clients prefer one process over another. Furniture moving. This is another big one. Because furniture is very laborious and time consuming for us. It's not only putting it back or putting it up, but putting it back. And in cases where the furniture is wood or metal, if the carpet is still a little damp, we have to put a sticky tab or a block underneath it, under the legs, so we don't leave a mark and discolor the carpet. That can create rust. So that's why furniture moving, this is a way for a client to really save money if they move furniture for themselves. We can do it, but that's an easy way to save money. Safety, this is often overlooked, but safety is a big part of providing a professional service. And some of the reasons are going to be, protecting furniture when you put it back, safety cones if you park your van in a populated area, caution tape, wet floor signs, the SDS sheets on all cleaning solutions, and of course a list of contact numbers in the event an emergency happens. And the final one is the customer survey. This is where we follow up after a service, after a project, and speak with the customer and find out if they were 100% satisfied. And some of the questions we ask after a service is, what were the courtesy of our employees? What were the appearance of our employees? What is the appearance of the carpet cleaning, of the carpeting after the job? Did any stains come back so we can come back and spot clean them maybe? And the care of the furniture and general care of your building. My name is Shane Dubell. Our company is Method Clean Solutions. You can reach us at methodclean.com and schedule an estimate or call me if you have any questions.